Hello friends, I could not able to explain the programming part in the last video, due to YouTube time limit restrictions. However, I would be continuing that in this video. I apologize for the inconvenience. Anyway, the programming part, as usual, I would begin by saying hash include stdio.h, and then in the main function, I will not read the comment lines. However, I will just read the code which is in red ink. I have written char a123 is equal to a. In other words, I have created a character variable. Name of the character variable is a123 and the data it holds is a. So obviously declaration and definition of the variable a123 is done. As we have seen, as soon as char a123 was said, declaration was over. And then a123, as soon as it was said, declaration was over. And that variable a123 is assigned a memory location, and also it is assigned a value. Which value? A is assigned to it. So definition is also over. Variable declaration and variable definition is done. Okay, that is what is there in the comment line above. Anyway, if we move on to the next line, that is float b. Let's not read the comment lines now. If we move on to the next line of the code, float b. If I ask you, in float b, is variable declaration done? Everyone would say yes, it's done. We have used b, so variable declaration is done. If I ask you, is variable definition is done? Some of you might be under the impression that variable definition is not done in case of float b. However, as soon as I say float b, for the variable b, some 4 bytes would be allocated. So memory allocation is over. Not only that, there will be some garbage value in that 4 bytes. That only will be assigned to b. In other words, assigning the value is also over. I hope I am completely clear. Therefore, note that float b means declaration and definition is over. Now if you read the comment lines, you would understand it. Some of them may be confused because I haven't said float b equal to something explicitly, but what you have to understand is that whatever garbage value is there, that is only assigned to b. Therefore, variable definition is also complete. In the next, I've done multiple declarations and definitions, as you can see. Integer type variable _c _d45 e. These are the 3 variables of integer type. And of course, as soon as I mention them, variable declaration is over, and it would have some garbage value assigned to it, and also memory assigned to it. Therefore, variable definition, that is also over. So you might be wondering, what is this? In all the 3 cases, if variable declaration and definition are occurring together, is it at all possible to, declare and define a variable separately? Yes, it is possible. By using the keyword extern, extern, it is possible. Of course, I would be discussing much about it in the next video. For now, my aim now is to explain this program and show that it is not possible to separate variable declaration and definition by using normal keywords. It is possible by using extern keyword, which I will be demonstrating in the further videos. And of course, printing everyone knows. I would print by using printf statement. Printf %c a123, because a123 is of character type, therefore I would be using %c. If my variable was of float type, I would be using %f. If my variable was of integer type, I would be using %d. Anyway, so when I print a123 would contain the value a, so a is the output of this program. I hope my explanation was clear to you. Thank you for watching this video.